In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Telegram on laptop. Open any web browser, type Telegram. Click on Telegram web. Now, select desktop. Now, click on Get Telegram for Windows. Now, double click on this setup file. Click on OK. Again, click on Next, 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 and Install. Now, click on Finish. Now, start messages. Welcome to the official Telegram desktop app. It's fast and secure. Login your Telegram account. You have to follow these three steps. Scan from mobile Telegram. Open Telegram on your phone. Go to settings, devices, and scan this QR code. Scan this image to login. So hopefully guys you like this video. Thanks for watching this video. By these simple steps we can know how to download and install Telegram on laptop. Thanks for watching.